Beginners find it awkward to sit in silence and tune into their innermost thoughts and feelings. To them, it feels like they're just sitting down and doing nothing. The funny thing is, the more we try to calm ourselves down, the mind tends to resist. To a beginner, meditation might initially feel alien to them, perhaps even exhausting, but the trick is to not get tired merely thinking about it. People have been meditating for around 3,000 years, and many have nonetheless experienced the same caginess, anxiety, or wonder what first-time meditators often feel. In today's video, Purple Hippo will tell you some very simple initial steps to get yourself involved in meditation. So, if you're thinking of starting or trying to get into meditation, then this video is for you. So make sure you are tuned until the very end. Subscribe to Purple Hippo and ring that bell icon to get more awesome and informative videos. Relaxation is not the goal of meditation, but it is often a result. In 1970, a research done at Harvard University Medical School coined the term Relaxation Response after conducting research on people who practice transcendental meditation. The relaxation response is an opposite, involuntary response that causes a reduction in the activity of the sympathetic nervous system. It is worth repeating that the purpose of meditation is not to achieve benefits. To put it as an Eastern philosopher may say, the goal of meditation is no goal. It's simply to be present. In Buddhist philosophy, the ultimate benefit of meditation is liberation of the mind from attachment to things it cannot control, such as external circumstances or strong internal emotions. The liberated or enlightened practitioner no longer needlessly follow desires or cling to experiences, but instead maintains a calm mind and a sense of inner harmony. Here are 5 meditation tips for beginners that will help overcome both the problems of developing an interest and getting bored of meditation. It may take as little as spending 2 minutes a day to develop the habit of meditation, as well as experience its result. One thing to remember is that meditation isn't about refraining from thinking. It's more about being sensitive towards them and then simply allowing it to flow. All you need is a comfortable space where you're likely not to be disturbed so that you can stepwise follow the regimen we will tell you guys now. Beginners should firstly start by sitting with your back straight at a comfortable level, either on a chair or on the floor, whichever you feel more comfortable. Then, start by leaving your eyes open with a soft, relaxed focus. Then inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Then while breathing out, gently close your eyes and resume normal breathing. After that, take a break and enjoy being present in the moment. Feel the pressure of your body on the chair beneath you, the feet on the floor, and hands and the arms just resting on the legs. Then, gently bring the focus back to your breathing and notice the breath and the body with its rising and falling sensation. After that, when you've realized your mind has strayed from any thoughts, sounds, or other sensations, gently bring the focus back to your breathing again. Gradually, bring the attention back to your body and the space around you. Then gently open your eyes again. Finally, take a moment to soak in how that felt for you before going about your day. This simple cycle is sufficient to get yourself into a meditation mode. Next comes a few tips to transition towards the next stage. Number 1, start small with 3 to 5 minutes or less. Research data shows that most beginners in meditations started with 3 to 5 minutes. Even 3 minutes can feel like a darn long time when you first start meditating. So you could even start smaller, like the time it takes to breathe 3 times. Do it first thing each morning. Set a reminder for every morning when you get up and put a note that says, meditate, somewhere where you'll see it every day when you enter the room. Number 2, understand the concept of meditation. If you suffer from issues with stress, anxiety, irritability, or overthinking, meditation is a great way to increase your endurance against stress. If you have anxiety, it will help reduce your general tolerance towards physiological overstimulation and calm your nervous system. People who found meditation the most enriching have generally been people who are inclined towards unwarranted overthinking. This explains, given that meditation is about narrowing down your attention on something experimental, such as the sensation of breathing, and bringing your attention back to a center point, when you notice it has drifted, you observing acutely things like, what are you doing? Such as, am I breathing too fast? Or wandering off to another topic like, I've got so much to do tomorrow. Meditation can help with irritability and frustrations, partly because it helps you learn how to recognize you are having negative thoughts before you go and explode. Number 3, understand the principles of meditation. Beginning meditators often think that the goal of meditation is to get to a point where they can focus without becoming distracted. A more beneficial goal, however, is becoming aware of when and where your mind has drifted off. Becoming acutely aware of what you're thinking is the basis of successful cognitive therapy. You can't rebuild your thoughts if you haven't initially developed the ability to identify them. Another useful goal in meditation for beginners is being able to redirect your attention back to your point of focus without demeaning yourself. Number 4, do you meditate your own way? Most of people prefer listening to music while trying to relax. Since walking also helps people concentrate and reduce distractibility, a meditation that involves walking or slight jogging with music can be a great place to start. Research says a 10-minute walking meditation involves 1 minute of paying attention to the following: the feeling of your body walking, the feeling of your breath, the sensation of air or wind on your skin, what you can hear, what you can see. Follow this with 5 minutes of general awareness where you allow anything you observe, sense, or smell to engulf you or wrap you. Don't go looking for things to hear, see, or feel. Let things naturally flow around you. During the open awareness portion, if your attention drifts to the past, future, or evaluative thoughts, briefly go back to one of the points of focus to stabilize your attention again. You can modify these instructions however you want. Make your practice your own personal regime. Remember, you are in charge. Finally, coming down to the last tip, number 5, reduce all or nothing thinking. Practically, there are only a small amount of people who willingly, by choice, like to meditate on a regular basis. Another method is to do regular daily practice of meditation, such as the walking meditation for a week or so. Then start integrating meditation into your day in unpredictable and informal ways, all the while focusing on their breathing. By the time you have followed these steps and all these tips, you will be well incorporated into meditation by will and interest. After this, you can and you should try different types of meditation whenever you feel like you're under the weather or are feeling the blues. Congratulations for making it through all the way to this video. The beginner are now officially the professionals. That's it, guys. So what do you think? Are you ready to get into meditation? Are you feeling motivated enough? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Purple Hippo and ring that bell icon for more awesome videos. Thanks for watching!